In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design viral YouTube thumbnails in Canva step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you want higher click-through rates, more views, and thumbnails that actually stand out on the homepage, this is the only guide you need. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also show you how to test your thumbnail the right way before uploading. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more YouTube growth and Canva tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to start with the correct canvas size. Open Canva and click on Create a Design. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail. Canva will automatically set the canvas to 1280 by 720 pixels, which is the official YouTube thumbnail size. Always use this size so your thumbnail looks sharp and professional on all devices. Next, let's choose a strong background. Your background should make your subject stand out instantly. Simple always wins. You can use solid colors, blurred backgrounds, gradients, high contrast images, or even a screenshot from your video. The key rule here is avoid busy backgrounds. If there's too much going on, people won't know where to look. Clarity equals clicks. Now let's add a clear, emotional face if your video includes you. Faces dramatically increase click-through rates because people connect with emotion. Upload your image into Canva, click on Edit Photo, and then use the Background Remover tool to create a clean cutout. Once that's done, go to Shadows and select Glow. This helps your subject pop off the background. Increase the size, reduce the blur to 0, and adjust transparency to make it look like a bold outline. Next is one of the most important parts, big, short text. Viral thumbnails never use long sentences. Stick to 2 to 4 words maximum. Use huge fonts and high contrast colors. Examples could be $0 versus $1,000. Don't try this, or before and after. In Canva, great fonts for thumbnails include Anton, League Spartan, and Babos New. Make the text large enough that it's readable even on a phone screen. Now let's talk about color contrast. The best performing thumbnail colors are usually yellow, red, white, black, and neon blue. You want strong contrast between your text and your background. In Canva, you can go to Styles and experiment with different color palettes to quickly test combinations. Many professional creators use bright backgrounds with black or white outlines and a subtle glow or drop shadow around the text to make it stand out even more. To increase curiosity, add simple elements like arrows, circles, emojis, or question marks. Go to Elements and then Graphics to find these. Use them strategically to direct attention to something important in the thumbnail, but be careful not to overdo it. Too many elements will make your design look messy and reduce clarity. Another powerful trick is adding a strong outline to the person or main object. Select your cutout image, click Edit Photo, then go to Shadows and choose Glow. Set the size between 10 and 30, keep the blur at 0, adjust transparency between 0 and 20, and choose white or yellow for the outline color. This instantly separates your subject from the background and gives that high CTR YouTube look. You can also add depth using overlays and lighting effects. In Elements, search for Gradient, Light Leak, or Shadow Overlay. Subtle gradients and lighting effects create a cinematic feel and guide the viewer's eye. A slight vignette can also help focus attention toward the center of the thumbnail. Now here's a step most beginners skip. Test readability at small sizes. Zoom your thumbnail out to 10 to 20%. Ask yourself, can I still read the text clearly? Does the subject stand out immediately? Is it obvious what the video is about? Remember, most viewers see your thumbnail in tiny preview mode. Your click-through rate depends on clarity at a small size. Finally, export at the highest quality. Click Share, then Download, and choose PNG. If you see a high-quality option, make sure it's selected. This ensures your thumbnail stays sharp when uploading to YouTube. And that's it. You now know how to design viral YouTube thumbnails in Canva step by step. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube growth tips and Canva design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.